Welcome to 24.1. So in this video, I'm going to show y'all tips, tricks on how to get an effective score. So right now, we're going to start with the dumbbell snatch. This is how you should be set up. The dumbbell should be in between your feet. You should be looking a little forward in front of you. All right, you don't want to have your head down. You don't want to have your hips too far up. As you can see, retract your shoulder blades and set it back and down. And then put tension all the way in between your hamstrings and you're good, all right? All right, let's start off with what not to do. So you do not want to yank the dumbbell off the floor because that's going to mess up your lower back and obviously your shoulders because there's nothing to hold on to it. So as you can see, this is not the right way to do it, all right? I'm just yanking it off the floor. I'm just letting it fall down, gravity taking over. What you do want to do is you want to get triple extension, just like this, all right? You want to have that dumbbell feel weightless, all right? So when you do the burpees, your shoulders are not blown up from the dumbbell snatches. So as you can see from the front and the front and side positions, that's all I'm doing. I'm just triple extending, just like a regular barbell snatch. And yeah, after you do this, you'll be good to go. All right, so let's start with the burpees. So what you do not want to do is fall forward. All right, this is inefficient and it will cause you a lot of time and a lot of pain and injury. All right, what you do want to do is brace your core, ribs down. As you can see, I'm breathing, and you want to squat down, half squat, and come back up. It's kind of hard to mess that up. So now for some tips and tricks for the workout itself. So get some tape, guys. Get some bright tape. All right, what you're going to do is that tape is going to be used for your hands. As you can see, when you're doing a workout like this, 21-15-9, you do not want to think. You just want to go in motion. All right. A body that stays in motion is good. Now, as you can see, I'm stepping up. Where I step up is where I'm going to put that second piece of tape, because that's going to be where the dumbbell is going to be at. So my hands is going to be on the first tape, and the dumbbell is going to be in the second tape, all right? This little trick, I like to do this on workouts like this, is because I'm on autopilot. So the only thing that I'm thinking is tape, all right? I'm going to show you in a few minutes, as you can see. So here's a demo of the workout. So I'm using 30 pounds for demonstration purposes. You're supposed to use 50 pounds in a workout, so don't let this fool you. So as you can see, I'm doing triple extension, and then I'm gonna get to the burpees, and it's all I'm gonna look at. I'm gonna look at the tape for my hands and the tape for my feet, and then I'm gonna just jump. All right. I recommend that you do step ups on the burpees. Don't exhaust yourself from jumping all the time. That's gonna accumulate real quick, real fast. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll further explain or make another video on it. So like, subscribe, and good luck to everyone doing 24.1. See you on the leaderboard.